Yeah. I got a funny feeling one of us are going to be on our arse now. It's probably me, I'm the clumsy as fuck. It's Jamie's on the fuck. Haven't Valley Warrior and Dylan's caught in the middle. Never mind, Delby. He looked at me stupid and I said we're going down the mountain. I said, do you want to come down there, find out camp? Yeah, she can't be asked. Kids these days, huh? You right, boy?
Yeah.
Slippy, innit?
Yeah.
It's only because of the mud underneath. It's murder. Whoa. I thought they moved this log. There's steps now anyway, so you'll be alright. If you're gonna fall, slip on your ass, don't fall forwards, right? Yeah. You or Jamie is gonna. This is a stairway to heaven, and we're descending. And she's buying a stairway to heaven. Watch there. There's a lady that's young, all that glitters is gold. Let's go in. Sorted. Keep going to help him. I don't realise he's a man now, like, more or less. Don't need my bloody help anymore. Those days are gone, I know. Yeah. There we are. Remember the camp? You see? Jamie disguised it. It's looking alright. Don't you slip there, right? This is the slipperiest part. Yeah, boy. And there's no one sleeping in there. That's always a bonus. No bloody tramps. Ah! It's like a swamp. I agree. It's boggy as fuck. But we've had torrential rain the past few days. Oh, look at that. Inhuman rubbish. Oh, I.
Put them on the sticks. Put them on the sticks here. Walk like territory.
It's fucking.
Oh, see,
Just hit me on the head.
Like it didn't smash. There's one there. See, back in the day, they used to stick they used to stick human heads on here, making molds and
Yeah.
that was a threat. No, we just do it.
Oh, fuck it.
We pass over.
We've got a swamp for a camp. I can't wait until the rain fucks off. There's some wood drying, all our stuff still here. Happy days. Just wanted to show Niblicks, yeah? Our little camp. It's my wall bay. It don't look so impressive. Now you come back down, yeah? There's another one of them going there. You can stuff all things inside them, so it's windproof like. So when we light the fire then, it's no wind, no fucking really bad wind. I'm just glad nobody's fucking around down here.
This is where.
The adults. What the fuck? I'm sinking. Not so bad, is it? Be nice down here in the summer, won't it?
Yeah.
River up there as well, a little dam in the river to make it more cool.
Like Bear Grylls, isn't it?
Yeah. Bear Grylls, isn't it? Oh, I can't stand anywhere, I'm sinking. Right, gotta keep off there. Ah. We're gonna have to put something down on the floors in here. Like, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, we could take stones out of the river and lay them down in here. That's a thought now. Like, they look like they're cobbled then, or flagstones.
Cobblestones. Stepping stones.
Yeah. Just put them, yeah? There's a lady on it glitters is gold. It's quite hidden, isn't it? I mean, we know it's there, but it is quite hidden, like. My camera's pointing that way. You've got to have it slanted just to see you. Your hair's poking up again. Right. Get out of here. We both use no phones. We weren't meant to come down here, it's a spur of the moment. And that's why we can't come down here in the rain, and that's why we don't do many videos in the rain. Because of that.
We're gonna do
Swamp. Right now, campsite, bae.
good.
It's worth a going there.
Build up.
I told Dylan there now. No, if this is bad and doesn't dry quick enough, we could always get flagstones out of the river and put a cobbled path in. From there, path round and in, yeah. You want to be walking on mud then? Be walking on the stones. Yeah, sewage waste that is.
Yeah, we picked for the bell, wouldn't it?
Aye, we could put a dam. We could put a dam from that to be and have a little pond, but then you've got the sewage in it. We need to be the other side of it or upstream. Better off there, like with the old the blonde. There used to be a blonde in there, and well, just on that side of the pipe it was. You see the big rock?
Yeah.
From here across our way, and we could jump off that then into the lake, into the pond. That's what I remember anyway. We'll see now. Jimmy, use my chopping block stone. Look, I paid fuck them. That stone was the first thing I dragged out of the river about years ago.
It's going to be a lot of hassle with a lot of stones on there.
What?
A lot of stones.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of hassle.
Hassle? Just pull them out of the river and throw them down. I didn't mean to do it all. I'm on but a path, so you can get in and out there without squelching and...
True. Alright, yeah.
They'll be there forever as well then, you know what I mean? You never have to worry about it in the winter.
We're going to wooden ones on.
Oh, up there.
Wood on both sides. And blue stone, you know?
Yeah. I know worried about the sides. I'm thinking of us like coming down here. If we can't do a lot when it's like this, can you? But if there's a path going through and it's not, we're not sinking and we're laughing. Look at that, like when you walk through edges now, fucking soaking.
You get a couple of pebbles, man. Get some cheap ass pebbles in it.
But yeah, you put stones down, but see the flat rocks there, I pulled them out when I was use the same rocks.
Yeah.
But I put it only from there. You know, start here and do a little bit more, do a little bit more. You'll be surprised how easy it is.
What do you think of putting another one like this here?
No, I was going to put another fence there. What you've done is what I was talking about. Make it go that way so you can put dry wood in it and stuff in it.
I was thinking of another shelter you could do.
Oh yeah, instead of a windbreak you could do a shelter.
Do another shelter like that. Aye, you get one star right there. You're a pension on the wall, you do?
Yeah.
Instead of like putting it in here.
Yeah, easy enough.
Instead of building a wall, dig in, post.
If we're going to be doing that there, it is a good idea to get stones out there. Stand there and have a look and see what it's like. Fucking bad. The ground there. See your feet sinking in from here. You definitely need stones, that's all I'm saying. Or raise it up like. Yeah, yeah. Last forever as well, then, see? I'm still pulling thorns out of my hand from down there today. Jamie, what are we going to do? Change your plan. I'm having a windbreak. He's telling you as well, the same view as go from there down with another shelter. From there, fucking down. This stupid phone. Where? It's just not happening. Oh, there we are. There. Over another shelter. Don't try to do this in reverse. It's a nightmare. There. Shelter there.
Alright, I'll be alright.
Stick some stones down then. We'll
We can just stone the wall.
I'll take a foot in, put a nice chunky log in there. I mean a proper chunky log. And come off that tree again then. Oh, I still haven't been tied, look. The log hasn't been tied up.
I know.
So next time we're down, fuck it.
It's past the wind test.
Yeah.
The wind went off.
When I came down the other day to check, I was just blowing. It weren't broken or anything. It was just blowing.
That's what we did. What we did was, we did that as an extension. So if we ever, like in the summer, that could be rolled up into the corner.
Yeah.
Or on a stick, pushed out so it's like another little shelter.
Yeah, it's an awning, isn't it? More or less.
Yeah.
If you've got a bit of rain, you could pull that up and it acts as an awning. hanging out this mud and sinking it coming over there. One of the rocks. Board it, Bill?
Huh?
Board it? That's the, when you ask me what it is, that's the tree that's top of the window down there, and then ones at the party all over the place.
Yeah.
They weren't like that the other day when we first came down. And these trees, they have grown in, not long anyway, just right in the middle of the path. It used to be clear, yeah, see? All open like. Just the oaks, the big ones. I'm gonna fetch a fishing rod down too. I don't think you can fish in here anymore. Here we go. Little Christmas tree down there, who do? Yeah, so to Martin who asked about coming down, damn right. Come down here anytime you want, as long as you can find it. Or if you yeah, get in touch with me or Jamie and will you come down here and meet you? This time of year is terrible though. It's more like a building site than a campsite because it's mud and fucking really bad here. I don't know if we picked the right site for doing everything we want to do, but it's perfect in some ways. Lots of rubbish to clean up more, don't we, down here? From you, people chucking stuff. Not us, by the way. We ain't the ones. Oh! I can angle my phone like that just to get you in it. Cannot zoom. How do I change the camera?